How to fix unable to change birth date on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if you are unable to change your birth date on your Instagram account. So first of all, just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just go to your settings, click on the profile section from the bottom right corner, and just click on the three dot menu icon from the top right, and just simply scroll down, and under the more info and support section you will be able to see the option called help. Just simply tap on it and click on help center, and now on the search bar just simply type can't change birth date and search for it, and over here you will be able to see bunch of different articles. So you can go ahead and click any of them which suits your need the best, and which also solves the purpose of your query, and also fixes the problem that you are unable to fix your birth date on Instagram. So it says that edit or add your birth date on your Instagram. So just click on the first option right here. So it is basically showing you the way through which you will be able to add your birth date on your Instagram if you haven't already. But if you won't find this article helpful, you can either select yes or no, because it is not showing the exact problem that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna click that, and after that it will open up a window where you can go ahead and write that you want a solution related to fixing the problem that you're facing in your account regarding entering or enabling date of birth on your Instagram account, and just simply explain the problem right here in this particular box and click on submit. And after that, the Instagram customer team will definitely reach out to you and help you regarding fixing your issue that you're facing regarding changing your birth date on Instagram. So this is basically how you will be able to do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.